Welcome to Lakewood Oaks. This is Deanna and the Lakewood Oaks leasing office. A brand new, spanking new design here by Deanna and Julia. And this is Deanna. How you doing today?
Good. How guys? How are ya?
Can you talk about your new office here?
Well, we just did a revamp of the office. Previously, the wall colors were all yellow and baby blue, and so we went with the color scheme to kind of match what the apartments inside were having. So we went with the gray tones and silver and the turquoise for the exterior. So we have accent colors everywhere.
Very nice.
We refurbished the front table as well, the standing table. It was usually brown, so we went with like a white color to match the rest of the office.
Very nice.
We just got a new screen as well. We'll have a presentation on the new screen. They'll have all the renovations that we're doing, so that way the residents know as they're waiting, they see that presentation going through the screens of what our apartments are looking like on the inside. We have a new coffee station, a closing table. Basically, when we go over leases, we kind of do a one-on-one with the residents to go over the lease and make sure they understand everything. So it's more of a closing table, sitting table.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. Very nice. We love it.